Good morning. I want you to how to operate a turntable. It's you may problem na humming ng ugong. So you need to put this on a pono. Red right, the white left. May ground siya. So ilalagay niyo yung ground sa body ng amplifier. So mawawala yung ugong. Minsan meron sa likod yung amplifier nyo, malalagay nyo yung ugong or dito sa body ng amplifier para mawala yung humming sound. You know, on. Need to put this. Need to put this on the pono, right? And this one. Kung meron kayong amplifier na may antenna or ground, antenna, this is the ground, to remove the humming sound of the old photo. This one, you can put this one here, or you can put this one here. Want to see? Narinig yung humming. Humming. See? Can you hear the humming sound? If you put the ground on the body, see? Nawala yung humming sound, or if you remove again, it's the ground. That's it. Subscribe.